In this video, we're going to go over a really quick solution here. So let's get to it. The first thing we need to do is pass in a new prop to communicate from the image screen down to the image detail. So here's my image screen right here. For each of my new image detail components I'm showing inside of here, I'm going to add in a new prop, and I'm going to call it score. Now this is a JavaScript expression, not quite a variable that we are referring to. Whenever we want to assign a number to a prop, it has to be assigned inside of a set of curly braces. So for this new one, the first one, I'll give it a score of 9. For the second one, I'll give it a score of 7. And I'll be generous on the last one, I'll do a score of 10, like so. Remember, we are deciding what property name to use. This could have been called score or score for image or whatever else you want it to be. Just has to be something that makes sense to you. So we can now save this file and then go over to our image detail. Now we can try to make use of that new prop. So I'm going to add in a new text element underneath the existing one. And I'll give it the text image score, a dash, and then I'll print out props.score, like so. So now we can save this. And if we test it out once again, I'll see image score of 9, 7, and 10. Very good. Now, last thing that we could do as a little optional optimization to our image detail, remember, we don't necessarily have to refer to the entire props object right here. If we want to, we could destructure off only the properties we care about from it. So I could replace props right there with a set of parentheses and curly braces inside, and then just reference the different properties that I want to get access to. So in that case, it would be image source, title, and score. And then we can remove the 3 references to props that we have inside of our function. So I'll delete props dot, and props dot. So I have no more references to props inside of my component anymore. Again, this is 100% optional. You might see this done in the community very frequently just because it saves a little bit of typing. Okay, so now we can save this once again, and we should still see everything appear as expected. And I'll do a quick test on Android as well. I'll go to my image demo, and yep, looks good. All right, cool, so that's props, and we've got a good example in. So once again, let's take a pause right here and move on to our next topic in the next video.